Hey folks, Bobby here today. Guys, today we have the Ford 2.5 liter engine rebuild that we're working on. And today's video will be on priming the oil pump. So stay tuned. We'll show you how we get it done. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do, we had the oil filter, a brand new oil filter on here just while we painted the engine. So it doesn't have any oil in. I'm actually going to put some oil in here. That's going to help to prime up a little faster. So let me set this here on the bench. And Nathaniel, you can film me doing this if you want to. We're just going to take a little bit of the motor oil that we're going to use in the engine. Now, what we're using here, guys, we're going to use some Pennzoil synthetic blend for our break-in oil on this engine. We're going to run it for like the first 500 miles, and then we'll actually do an oil change on it. So here we go. We are just going to pour some of this oil right on into the filter, and we'll let some of it sink down. I'm not going to worry about trying to fill it totally up because half of it's going to run out when I try to screw it back onto the block anyway. So that's probably good right there. So now at this point, and I'm going to hold a little pan or something underneath here so I don't make a mess. Pause the camera just a second. Okay guys, I just drug my trash can over here right quick. We're going to go ahead and screw this on. And we lost a little bit, but it wasn't much. So we're going to put our filter on just like so. And we'll move on to step 2. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pour 5 quarts in this engine. These engines actually take 4.5, but this is a dry engine, okay, because we just rebuilt it. There's no oil on the pump or any of the galleries. So I'm going to go ahead and let that extra half a quart go in there. I don't think it's going to hurt anything. So we're going to go ahead and fill this up. Okay guys, hey, we got our cordless drill here with an 18mm socket on it, and we've put our pulley for our oil pump back on here, and we just ran the nut down by hand because we're turning it clockwise anyway. So we're going to spin this right quick, and you can hear the oil is actually going through the engine now. It spun a little fast at first, and then it actually, you could tell it started pumping oil, and here we go. You can watch me as I do this. I don't know if you can hear that, guys, but I can hear the oil running through the block here. So I'm going to actually spin this just a few more times, and then we'll talk about this thing here. Okay, guys, hey, we're done with this thing, okay? We've spun this thing over probably for about, a minute or so. I'm convinced that we got all the air bled out and we're primed up. I backed the filter off just for a moment until it's almost getting ready to come off, and I can see the oil leaking out around it. So our filter's totally filled up, and I don't know if we pumped every gallery throughout the engine, but I think we probably did because I could hear it running inside the valve cover. But guys, a quick disclosure here. I had a little problem with this that I did not show you guys, okay? So along with this video and priming this engine, one thing that you have to do, okay, is when you install your oil pump, you're going to have to flip that oil pump up on its end. Let me show you the old one here. Okay, hang on. Because I had to pull this oil pump back off. I could not get it to prime up. And what I did is I took the oil pump back off and I held it up and I poured some oil in here. It only took about probably 8 ounces of oil. Okay, it didn't take very much just to fill it up here. And then I shoved the pump back into the block and tightened it down and retorqued it. Okay, so on these engines, definitely pour a few ounces of oil into that pump before you prime. Otherwise, you're going to have a hard time getting it to prime up. Okay, so just wanted to let you guys know that I'm not perfect all the time. Okay, so I'm going to let you know when I'm not. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, guys, anytime you're building any kind of engine, figure out what you have to do to prime that oil pump. Because the first few seconds of an engine cranking up, very crucial, I mean, it just helps. It really does. It helps to have everything primed up, ready to go. And you would not want to crank an engine that you put a lot of money into and there was a problem with the oil pump and it actually would not prime or something, so you don't want to end up messing up your brand new engine. So try to get it primed up, and hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out our description down below, and have a wonderful day. Take care.